Okay, so we are going to show you how to open and complete the classwork on Google Classroom using the new assignment template that we have provided. You're going to answer the questions at the bottom, and then you're going to turn in the assignment when everything is completed. So on the classroom, you're going to click here to view the assignment. Also, you must open all attached parts that appear on the assignment, which would be right over here. Once you select the assignment, this should pop up on your screen. There's going to be the instructions that will be shown here. The assignment attachments will be to your right on this side. And then down below here is where you can private message or private comment the teacher. And then over on this side, it will say mark as done. And that's how you turn in your attachments. This is a sample of the assignment form template. You have to do all the steps listed. It goes in numerical order. So the first column is step 1. You do all of the assignments listed in step 1. Answer the questions at the bottom. Then you move on to step 2. And then so on and so forth. Then when you're all done with all of the steps that are provided on the template, you're then going to turn in the assignment. And Mrs. Ryan made this slideshow, but she wants to give a special thanks to Mrs. Rachel Chakala at Washington Street Elementary for creating this slideshow. And also to Mr. Ryan, who has to deal with Mrs. Ryan during our virtual school days. Loving Mrs. Ryan's actual photo here. Good luck, everybody.